I don't know who's gonna go. Paul or Nicholas.
Paul, you do it first. I'll come after you.
I think he wants you to go first.
Once upon a time there was a tavern where we used to raise a glass of
Glad you're all here.
remember how we laughed away the hours and we dreamed of all the great things we would do. Those were the days, my friend. We thought they never end. Sing and dance forever and a day. With a riot we shoot, we fight and never lose. Those were the days, oh yes, those were the days. Now let's look out for the people around us. Then those busy years went rushing by us. We lost our starry notions of the way. If by chance I'd see you in the tavern,
Orchestra Hall.
we'd smile at one another and we'd say, what would we say? Those were the days, my friend. We thought they never end. Forever fight and never lose. Those were the days, oh yes, those were the days. La 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 la
Come on, chair dancers.
Here we are in Orchestra Hall, where we come to sit and listen to music.
Woo!
But we thought we'd come and shake things up a bit. We hope that's alright with all of you. Those were the